What's the meaning of ciliary muscle? Ciliary muscle. Ciliary muscle.
Ciliary muscle. Ciliary muscle. The ciliary muscle is a ring-shaped muscle located in the eye. It is responsible for controlling the shape of the lens, which in turn controls the eye's focus. When the muscle contracts, it changes the shape of the lens to make it thicker, allowing the eye to focus on objects that are nearer. When the muscle relaxes, the lens becomes thinner, allowing the eye to focus on objects in the distance. The ciliary muscle plays a critical role in our ability to see clearly at different distances.